We are getting to the point in a house where you're like, yo, I can literally go inside here and sleep if I want to.
Action. How'd you like that transition? But anyways, hey, follow me along. Look at all this progress.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Nikos Property Show. We are finally finished with all the walls. If you watched the last video, you see that everything is absolutely done as far as the walls go. They are finishing the small little touches of making sure all the walls are square and everything's going on. We got the compressor running in the background. They're gonna be wrapping this thing with plywood here shortly. We're gonna get the ceiling on, and we are going to make awesome progress. We're gonna get some more progress, get this plywood, we're gonna wrap these walls. It's gonna be beautiful. We are getting to the point in a house where you're like, yo, I can literally go inside here and sleep if I want to, literally. Let's just enjoy this day and enjoy this progress. So let's keep watching. Alrighty, also progress has been made. We've got plywood on the walls. We've got the ceiling going in right now. As you can see, check out the plywood right there. And of course, my wall goes all the way up to there, so that's my crawl space down there. But it goes all the way up to here, so you can see they've got a lot of progress done. I am super duper excited about what's happening. But as you can see, they've got those boards up there ready to be nailed in. This side has been nailed, so this is my master bedroom right here, going into my master closet. If you look up, you've got it in my bathroom as well. And there's my little toilet. Look at that. This is my little toilet space. There's my bathroom inside my bathroom. That's gonna be my tile shower. It's gonna be beautiful. Gonna have some glass right here, so that's gonna be really nice. But they're gonna keep progressing, and we're just gonna keep on moving.
action. How'd you like that transition? But anyways, hey, follow me along. Look at all this progress. Look what's going on. We are moving very productively and efficiently. And as you can see behind me, y'all have not seen this, okay? This is crazy stuff. We got all the plywood up. Okay, the OSB is wrapping around my house right now. Do be careful, Mr. Cameraman. We got boards and everything. I got a little baby fire. You know why? Because my hands are freezing. So I got a little baby fire going. Here in Tennessee, we have Smokey the Bear. You don't want to leave fires going after you leave the job site. So I have just a little tiny one so that once I'm getting done, I can just kick this around. And in the meantime, warm these hands up. Because when I'm out here filming, I'm out here like... But anyways... Let's move along. I want to show you this huge view and I'll have him stand from the corner a little bit and just kind of show y'all how this entire view of this house has just transpired. I mean, look what has happened. We have all the plywood running all the way along this side, and I'll take you around this side as well. You got all this lumber dwindling down. That's a good thing because it costs a lot of money, first of all. Oh, see, almost fall. Safety first. Lumber prices have gone down a little bit, but regardless, I mean, you're still paying, you know, $25,000, $30,000, and that's only on a 1,600 square foot house, $1,599. But imagine if you're building a 2,000 square footer or a 3,000 square footer, you're gonna literally be paying, you know, 40K, 50K, 60K. Just depends on how custom your house is gonna be, what you need, and things like that. But we're dwindling down, which is a really, really good thing in my opinion, because that means progress is happening. And once we get to the corner of this house where y'all can finally see the entire house is wrapped around almost for the most part, okay? So I am very excited. I am very happy with the progress. This is something that I'm ecstatic. And then to have every single one of you watching this entire progress, this show, Nikos Property Show, like this is coming to life. This is real. I mean, like literally mind blown, insert emojis and all kinds of little things popping out. But why don't we take you inside? I want to show you the rooms now that it is wrapped with plywood. You can kind of feel where I'm going to be, and I'm going to show you. I'm 6 foot tall, so you'll be able to see like the dimensions of the rooms and things like that. Alrighty, y'all, welcome inside the house. So obviously through this space right here, it still looks like it did before, but why don't we just peek this way? Like I'm gonna walk through this doorway right here, okay? So it's a little tight. So for someone my size, it's gonna be really hard to get it. I'm just kidding, y'all. So walking through the wall here, this is that front bedroom. As you can see, it's a pretty good sized bedroom. And I showed y'all in the last video, like how this was gonna look, but now that I have plywood around everything, it's actually making sense on how much space. I mean, I'm 6 foot, I got a solid wingspan. This is a lot of space. So I'm gonna take you into the side that's gonna be my favorite, because that's where I'm gonna spend time, which is in my master bedroom, in my master closet, my bathroom, my office space. Matter of fact, let's do just a little quick detour right here. This is going to be my office. Like, imagine this. I'm gonna have a computer set up in here. I'm gonna have my studio. I like making music and stuff like that. So there's a little fun fact about me. But anyways, this is gonna be a great office space. And then as I back up through here, this is gonna be where my washer and dryer is, things like that. And I'm gonna do like a sneak through my walls again, because these are all doorways and everything, you know, right? Well, when framing's going up, at least it is. But huge, huge closet. I mean, seriously, I told you you could have a dance party in here. You could sleep in here, eat in here. This is a huge closet. I don't care what no one says. Like, this is almost too much closet space. Too many clothes. I like to wear like the same thing every single day, obviously. Nikos Property Show merch, duh. Anyways, master bedroom, king bed going right here, plop down. I'm going to be absolutely slumped right here, like big Z's right here. And then come in this bathroom. Look how huge this is. I'm gonna have that standalone tub right here. It's gonna be beautiful. The toilet area is right here. I'm gonna have a door that opens this way. And then I got this tile shower. Dude, I mean, I don't know where I'm gonna put the thing where the water's coming out, but I'm gonna, I mean, like, I can put my leg up if I want to and take a shower with it. I mean, you name it, like I can do it. Like this is gonna be great. But so much progress happening. I'm so excited with everything that's going on. Nikos Property Show is bringing you the most dope content on YouTube. So make sure you're subscribing, liking, and everything, and all the above. A, B, C, D, F, G, L, K, all of it. Okay, subscribe. But I'm so excited. Why don't we end this video out? I'm gonna go by the fire, warm my hands up because it's getting hard to talk and my fingers are freezing. Alrighty, y'all, so it's time to end this video. I'm warming up right now, like literally my fingers are freezing right now. It's not that cold outside, but I am one that hates the cold. Like I want to be in Florida 24/7 or at the beach somewhere in Hawaii. Love it there. But anyways, if you've been watching this video, I hope you're enjoying the progress because I definitely am. I'm definitely going to smell like smoke, so you can smell me through the screen right now. But I hope you're enjoying this progress. I definitely am. This is something that like, woo, my eyes are burning. Oh my gosh. This is something that's really exciting, and the progress, seeing it happen in real life, like in real time, to see these walls go up, to see it get wrapped with plywood. I mean, that's something that like excites me because I know I will be sleeping in those rooms one day. I will be utilizing it. You know, I may have kids, a wife or something like that in those rooms, right? So if you're watching this video and you're single, I'm just joking, y'all, but anyway, seriously, let's end this video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, make sure you follow me on all social platforms, but most importantly, TikTok, because I can actually edit stuff and post stuff right away. So check me out on there. If you haven't yet, check out NikosPropertyShow.com. Grab you some merch, a crew neck, a hat, a hoodie, a t-shirt. It's getting cool. Make sure you're cool in the Nikos Property Show merch. Without further ado, guess what? I'll see you on the next video. Peace.